today I will show you how to make this effect. Let's check the monkey head. Suzanne is always rotating and moving, but let's check. Press 1. It will always contact the face XYZ, the XYZ face like this, and I think it's a very simple effect that you can make it in Houdini by a node. And if you want to make it in Cinema 4D, it has, I think it's a plugin. And today I will show you how to make this in Blender. So it's very simple. Let's see the geometry nodes. It's like this. Very simple, very short. And okay, let's begin. Let's go to Blender 4.1 and let's go to geometry node and press new. Drag this line to make this section bigger. And today the key node is a bounding box, and another is a switch. So we will use these two nodes to make the kind of the plugin in Blender, and you can store this. I think it's better to call this a modifier. You can store this modifier and use it in the future. So let's begin, and let's check the bounding box, and maybe I will use a monkey instead, or this icosphere is okay. So subdivision I change it to 0, 1 is okay, and delete the cube, and let's use this. So press new again, and I will introduce the bounding box. Let's check. So connect this, and here you will see it turned into a cube, and you have 3 sockets here. First is the geometry to show the bounding box. It will change everything into a cube, and it has a min value and a max value, depends on the shape of the geometry inside. So this time I will use these 2 values. Very important to make the effect. Okay, let's check how I do this. So here I will use first set position, put it here, and make more space. Okay, and here I will need a separate XYZ. Put it here, and I will use combine XYZ to combine them again. Okay, this is the meaning, and I will use the mass here. So this is the meaning value of the bounding box for this geometry, and that is the max value, I mean the position value for this geometry. And by this combine XYZ and separate XYZ and use the mass node, I will change the value into -1. I mean the negative value for each of them, and multiply -1 like this. And let's make more space. It's still too short. And connect here. Let's see. It connects with the. See. This is I think Z, and this is red is X. And let's check the green. Green is Y axis. So they all connected with corresponding XYZ. I mean the faces defined by the XYZ. So I think we have got some kind of effect, and let's duplicate this. Okay, connect to max here, max, and then connect the combine XYZ to offset, and then let's see this effect. Press 1. See, only a point is connected with the axis, and press 2. Yeah, the green one. It's okay, and we succeed. So next, I will use okay. Next, I think I will define a method to choose how to control that. So I will use a switch. So switch turn to vector, and we need a switch turn to float for each of them. Yes, put it here. I will connect it to true is better. So here, and duplicate them and put them here again. Yeah, like this, and put this here, and connect it to this. So we have realized a basic function. Let's check. Let's press this. It's not working, right? So let's press this. Okay, it seems it's not working again. Okay, this is the last. We don't want this. So we need to be careful when we are duplicating things. So check again. Okay, let's check and click here. Nothing happened. Click here. Yeah, something happened. So let's check what happened. Yeah, this line, the Z. It connected with the Z. So I think it's working. And the next, I will save it. Test. So next we will make the function of move any object into the this world origin. So we will need a set position here, and we will use the bounding box. So to make it clear and very easy to understand, I will use the transfer geometry here. So first I will transform it into a random position, like this. It's over here, and connect it to geometry. And I think I have made a lesson about this. Maybe the last videos there are something about this. So here I will remake it again, and here I will use the math node. I will use add and add the min and the max, and next I will use scale and turn to -0.1. By this step, I calculated the min and the max position vector of this geometry, and I add them and divide multiply 0.5. It means I get the center of this geometry, and by add the negative, so I can make this value all negative. So when I connect this to offset, it means use the position to subtract the position. So it's easy to understand, and it goes into the center. So let's move here. Even if we are always changing the value, the geometry just stay there. So it's working. Okay, let's remove this. And here, I will make it a modifier. So I need to duplicate this, and let's check how I make this. First, I will connect this to this. So press N, and come here. I will name it if negative, if negative. So when I click this, it will turn to the. So when I click this, it will turn to the max or minimum value of here, max or minimum value of the bounding box. So next I will connect the other sockets. So here, it's boring, just connecting the sockets. Connect all. Don't forget anyone. So I will name the first, the upper three. I will name them X, Y, Z according to the separate X, Y, Z, and then here I will rename them negative X, negative Y, negative Z. So we get the this effect, and we will try it later. But we need still a step here. We need a switch node. Duplicate this and put it here, and put it to true. So connect here. And I will rename this by middle, set middle. So I think this is all. So let's check if this works. So go here. So it's not working, right? Because we changed the wrong mode. So if negative, we turn it off. Then we press X. I think this, yeah, it's working. The Y. So and Y, yeah, it's working. And Z, yeah, that is working. So if we add a plane here and duplicate this, rotate, and duplicate this and rotate, this one, yeah. So check. So it's working, right? So next we'll test the negative XYZ. Come here. And okay, it's okay. Just leave it here, and then we press if negative. It comes into the middle, and let's press this. Where is it? Here. It's here. And see, it connected with this face, and here. It connected with this face, and press this. Yeah, it's here. And when we add a transform geometry here, so we put a scene node, yes, scene time, and it will rotate. Let's see. See, it's rotating, and it's always it's always contacting with the faces, but it will not go over it. And next, let's try the last effect, set middle. Press it. It remains in the middle, right? So it works perfectly. And if we want to make the effect I made, you just can set it one by one and duplicate one and set it like where just use your imagination, you can make it. So and the render is very simple. I want to introduce here. So I think this is today's today's tutorial, and it's very simple, and I think it's very useful. So hope you can make it by yourself. Okay, if you like my video, please thumbs up, and it's very important for me for now. So thank you very much. Bye bye.